In the previous lecture, we saw how to get all the hashes from the user table under high security. But what can we do with those? Well, we can run them through a program that looks up what these hashes mean into their most likely what the plain text password is. It's not going to work for all of them, but it should work for some of them, and certainly for the more popular ones like let me in or password. Okay, let's open up LeafPad, and I'm going to use that later because we can put all our hashes into it and do it as a batch process. But first, I'm going to show you how to do it for a one hash first. So let's go back into the terminal, and I'll just reposition the windows to make it easier to see the hashes beneath. What we need to do is use a program called Find My Hash, and this is just the information about how to use it. So you use it by typing in Find My Hash, Algorithm and Options, and beneath you can see a list of accepted algorithms. Now I know it's MD5 because you can see it in the source code. MD5 is 32 characters long. It's fairly safe to say it's an MD5. So that is how we use it. You specify -h and then the specific hash you're after. So an example usage would be this. So let's try it out with one of our hashes. So type in find my hash, MD5 -h, and then let's copy and paste that MD5 and then press return. And it's going to start searching for this hash. There are lots of different places that have hashes on the internet, and this is just querying each database in turn. And eventually, when it finds a match, it will stop. And there you go, we have a match. You can see that the admin user's password is password. It's not very secure, but we already knew that. But we have 5 hashes, and we don't want to do this individually for each one of them, as it takes time to sort of notice when it finishes and then start another command up. So what we can do is pass a file into Find My Hash, and so what we use is LeafPad, and we'll copy and paste all the hashes into there, one line at a time. So let's do that now. And now we need to save the file in somewhere we can find it. So I'm just going to call it hashes.txt and save it in my home directory. So let's get our previous command, find my hashes -h, and we'll remove the hash and the -h and replace it with -f for file, and then we will give it the location of this file. Remember, tilde is for your home directory. So this program is going to go away and take all 5 hashes and query each database with them. This is going to take a while, so I'm going to speed it up. And there you go, it's cracked all 5. What took about 5 minutes in real life time, I've managed to speed up, and there you go. But hopefully this shows you also why you should be using more complex passwords, so it's less likely that somebody also has computed your hash. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lecture.